TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 hours until that closing bell, middle of the trading day. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices are currently higher. Looking at NASDAQ, trading up 7 points, trading at 66.13. Dow Jones up 42 points, trading at 22,914. And S&P's up 1 point, trading at 25.54. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, jump into some of those futures markets. We'll start things off with the gold contract. Gold was as high as about $13.08 in the pre-market session this morning, about 7:30, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Pulling back slightly, but still decent action for the gold contract coming off the recent lows in past weeks. Gold currently trading at $13.0565. Crude oil pulling back a bit as well, but again, decent prices for where it's been relatively recently. Crude oil currently trading $52.18. And of course, tomorrow after the closing bell, we get API numbers. And Wednesday at 10:30 Eastern Time, we'll get those EIA inventory numbers as well. Copper, that is a mover. That is for sure today. Copper, just as the overnight session was going, we were back at 312. Pull this back a little bit. There we go. 11 p.m. last night, Sunday night. And as the day goes on, 323.57, we're as high as almost 326 on the copper contract. Quite a move in that 12-hour period, and it's come from quite a move as well. NASDAQ 100 pulling back off the intraday highs, currently trading at 61.05. And S&P 500, similar trading action, was as high as almost 25.58 this morning. 10 a.m. was that high, give or take 9:50 a.m. and currently trading 25.52. So what are we looking at in the market? VIX currently trading at 9.95. That would make sense as this market continues to creep higher. Under that $10 price point on the VIX, low volatility premium. And after the bell tonight, Netflix. We'll see how they shake out. Netflix currently up $1.17 or almost 0.6%, trading at $200.64. They'll be announcing their earnings after the bell. Traders will be looking for subscriber growth and, of course, how that's going to play in as they anticipate raising their prices. And, of course, they anticipate keeping demand high as they raise those prices and growing their subscriber base. We'll see what they have to deliver on. Stay tuned. We got our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now. Then, of course, Dave White at 2 o'clock, Tom O'Brien from 3 till 5. And I'll talk to you next hour for a top-of-the-hour update at TFNN.com.